Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Belle, and today we're going to be doing something a little fun for Valentine's Day. So essentially, when I think of Valentine's Day, I think of sweets, I think of cupcakes and chocolates and like all the good stuff. And so I thought it would be kind of fun to do some makeup looks relating to different Valentine's Day cupcakes. So I'm doing 3 separate videos on this with 3 different makeup looks. So this is one of the 3. If you're interested in the others, they will be posted at the same time as this one. So definitely go and check them out as well. All the looks are going to be pretty different and based on their cupcake source material, I guess would be the best way to say it. So this is the second video. The cupcake that we'll be basing this look on is a red velvet cupcake, which I feel like is a classic for Valentine's Day and for other holidays or just as a gift. And so I'm going to throw up the inspirational image on the screen here. So this is the cupcake that we're going to be basing this look on. The cupcake recipe and website or blog will be linked in the description, so definitely check that out, but I'll also post the recipe really quickly here. So here is the recipe and then the cupcake that we're going to base the look on. And I will kind of keep this cupcake somewhere on the screen, whether or not it's in the corner or somewhere else as we do the look as well, just so that you can see a reference from this, but definitely check the links down below in the description box if you're interested in the recipe or where this recipe came from, as well as if you're interested in any of the makeup products that are being used. I'm going to link all of those as well. So the plan for the video is to zoom you guys in. I will do one eye in like regular speed, and then the second eye either in 2 times speed, or I'll just cut it out. I'm not really sure at the moment which it's going to be. And then I'll zoom out and show you the final look, and then the inspiration again on the screen. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can get a better look at the eye look that we're doing. And just for reference, I already kind of did some face makeup. This is really just for the eye. And we're not trying to make this look too intense. I want this to be something that's kind of wearable for every day. I'm not trying to be like an aspiring makeup artist. I just really enjoy makeup, and I thought it would be fun to make a few Valentine's Day looks. And I thought it would be interesting to kind of tie them into something that I really enjoy, which is cupcakes and fun cakes. So yeah, let's get started with the look. So if you see some like pink under my eye, I previously filmed one of the other videos, so that's the pink lemonade cupcake video, and pink is just very hard to get off. So because this look is darker than that one, I thought it was best that we film that one first, and then I would film this one that has like a darker look so that the pink and the yellow just won't impact it. So just kind of ignore it. My eyes are not like swollen or bleeding. It's just a bit of staining from the initial cupcake look. So the first color that I'm going to use for this look is this one right here. It's from the Natasha Denona Mini Love palette, and this is the shade Love. At the end, it's like a bright pink. Oh, it's not going to focus. It's like that. And so this is going to be the all over lid shade. I think it's a beautiful color for Valentine's Day. Obviously this is a Valentine's Day collection, so that makes sense. So I'm going to put that one down first. I'm just going to start putting that all over the lid like this. For most Natasha Denona metallics, I just use my fingers. I feel like they just work so well like that, but you can use a brush as well if you wanted to, whichever one works best for you. So the next palette that I'm going to be digging into for this look is Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 5. This is the bronze one. It looks like this. And I'm going to be digging into this red for the outer corner of this look. And again, I'm just going to be using my finger for now, and then I will blend it out afterwards with a brush. this is just gonna deepen up that outer section and give it that red hue. Similar to the red velvet, I feel like I needed to use this color because I don't use the red enough. And then I'm going to take that original color again from the Mini Love palette, and I'm just going to kind of buff along the top to kind of just buff in these colors and blend them together a bit, and to pull the pink slightly above my lid into the crease, but to kind of reduce the intensity of it a bit. I'm just going to pull it up like this. And then once my brush almost has like nothing on it, I'm just going to buff a little more up, or I can just use a clean brush, which probably would have been smarter. So I can just go like this, like a brush with nothing on it, and just buff a little more just to make sure that it blends out and there's no harsh line. Looks like that. Then I'm going to take a dense brush, it looks like this, and I am going to do two things. So first, because Red Velvet is inherently a chocolate cupcake with a reddish tint, I'm going to be adding some brown to this look. So I'm going to be using this color, again from the Mothership 5, but it's pretty much just a deep reddish brown. So if you don't have this palette and you want to substitute out a different color or a different brown, definitely go for it. I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to run this along my lower lash line. I'm going to put it along my upper lash line, and I'm going to pull it up a bit into the crease. So I'm going to start by running it along my lower lash line, like this. And this brown is super pigmented, so I'm just taking a little at a time. Along the lower lash line. Like that. And then what I'm going to do is put a little on the upper lash line, deepen that section up a bit, and just to tie it in with the lower lash line. So just a bit right there. And then I'm going to put some on the outer corner and pull that from the outer corner up into the crease. So I'm just going to put some right at the edge, right there. Like that, and then I'm going to pull it up, deepen up the outer portion of the crease, and really only that outer portion of the crease. So just really simply, don't really go past the middle of my eye, because I don't really want that color too far in. And then again, I'm going to take a brush that doesn't really have anything on it, and I'm going to buff out any harsh lines or any products that got into a section that I didn't intend for it to be in. And so you see you have the dark brown, and then the dark brown running in here, you have the red, and then you have that pink. And then the last step I'm going to do is I am going to use almost like a light goldish cream color, kind of to represent the buttercream in the cupcake, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. So kind of lucky that the bronze palette has something like that, so I'm going to be using this shade right here on the inner corner because it has a very nice creamish coloring to it. So I'm just going to go like this. And I need a mirror to be able to see. Pull that up and in a bit. Right there. just to bring some brightness to a rather deep look. Yeah, so now I am going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now that you're zoomed out, here it is, the second look based on this cupcake right here. So this is a red velvet cupcake with vanilla buttercream, and then this is the eye look that I created based on this. Again, if you are interested in the recipe for the cupcake, it will be linked down below. And if you enjoyed this Valentine's Day cupcake inspired makeup look, definitely comment down below, or comment down below on some of the products that you're interested in that were mentioned in the look. And if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I so very much enjoy reading your comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day or night or morning or whatever time it is. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.